Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can remove members from Messenger group. It's super easy. Let's get started. Open up your Messenger app and log into your account and go to the group. And once you comes in your group chat and you can see over here members, add, or like new name like this. You can simply click on members below your group name. Once you click on that, you will see over here bunch of members over here that you have previously added, and now you want to remove one of the group members. So you have to do is click on that chat or like the nameplate, and you will see this pop-ups over here. So you can see at the last option, remove from group. So once you click on that, it's gonna be removed from the group, and that's it. That's how you can remove it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.